Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is MJ Draperies on Interiors, Maria Johnson. So I ran out into a situation here and I want to share with you what I'm gonna do because this is gonna be very helpful if you are working with Ripplefold Draperies. I do not have more fabric to extend to a certain number of snaps I'm gonna have here. Here, for instance, this was supposed to run somewhere here. Okay, so I really need to incorporate this last piece inside, right? So what I done here, I snapped the tape here and I'm gonna overlap it about 1/4 inch on each. You see, I'm just kind of, so 1/4 inch under and 1/4 inch over on. Put a snap here and then I'll take it to the sewing machine. I recommend you do not overlap more than this because it's going to start to be visible with the other folds. Okay, so right now I'm going to sew it as normal and it's going to be blending in with the other folds. Here it is, ready to go. Let's put it to the test. Okay, put a few snaps together. By the way, it's another tip here today. Some of the installers put these snaps before they hang the drape. This is the most difficult, wrong thing to do. I highly encourage you to change your way, and this is what you're gonna use. Just use any firm ruler, what I have here, or piece of wood, and you do the snaps first. Okay, so this is what I do. Simply just use the ruler and as you know, the last snap goes in here, so you don't need a snap there. Okay, just use the ruler and put some pressure, and so much easier than trying to do the other way around. And let me put 4 folds so you can see the difference between the ones that I reduce. So once again, do not put the snaps before. Put the snaps on the tape and then hang them up there. So, like I said, this is the end of the wall. And usually it's hard to put the last one, but I managed to do it. I do it very fast when I'm up there on the ladder because I'm the only one who hangs my drapes, by the way. I only use my installer to put the trucks up, and that's pretty much it. The idea here is to show you that you don't even see any difference in the profile. Remember, I took 1/4 inch, so we reduce 1/4 inch under and 1/4 inch over. As you can see, there is barely anything noticeable that I did that trick, and that actually saved me to go to the next panel, of fabric. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, share and give me a thumbs up, and comment below. Tell me what you think, and see you in my next video. Ciao!